Last year, I went on a big adventure through Asia. I packed everything: Canon R5, multiple lenses, microphones, GoPro, 360 cameras, my FPV drones, 2 of them. It felt like I was ready for everything. But instead of feeling prepared, I felt totally overwhelmed. The problem with bringing so much gear, you spend so much time wondering, did I bring the right setup? When you bring so much gear, you spend so much time wondering, did I bring the right setup? Or should I have brought that other lens? Inevitably, you feel like you don't have the right tools, even though you're carrying half of a studio in your backpack. Now compare that to this: a phone, an action camera, maybe the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and potentially even a drone. That's all you really need. When your setup is this simple, you're free to focus on the story, the experience, and the moment. Back in 2014, I traveled through Vietnam and Australia with literally just an iPhone 5. I'm pretty sure it only had 1 lens as well. Now that simplicity was really liberating. I wasn't distracted by gear, I was capturing the moment. And guess what? Some of my best content came from that trip. 1 video shot entirely on that iPhone. Fast forward to today, phones are better than ever. Take the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It is an absolute powerhouse. Combine it with a drone or maybe an action camera, and you can create some insane content without the fuss. The truth is, the more gear you bring, the more it pulls you out of the experience. You're constantly adjusting the settings, swapping lenses, or just worrying about what you're missing. But when you keep it simple, you stay present, you stay in the moment, and your footage is authentic and the story is compelling. So obviously it's up to you, but if you're heading out on a trip of a lifetime, don't overthink it. Bring a phone, maybe an action camera, a 360 camera, and possibly even a drone if you want to get creative. That's really all you need these days to capture an adventure like a pro and enjoy yourself whilst doing it. So there you go. That's my thoughts on bringing pro equipment on the trip of a lifetime. I wouldn't do it because I tell you what, I don't think my back can handle it again. Of course, professional cameras and professional equipment will give you that extra quality, but let's be honest, most of us are not only filming with these things, we're also consuming with these things too, so a lot of it won't make a difference. And with cinematic mode, the shots that you can get are just incredible. The only thing I would say is that if you do want a camera that does better in low light, you could potentially look at the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I've made some videos on my channel that you can check out where I do little comparisons and talk more in detail about the camera. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll try and get back to you if you have any questions, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.